There's new confusion over COVID-19 vaccines after federal health officials changed the qualifications again. Updated shots are now limited to older adults and people with certain health conditions. That leaves many families wondering who still qualifies and where to go for answers. Fox 56's Elizabeth Hakis has more.
The FDA is restricting updated COVID vaccines to people 65 and older, or those with health conditions that put them at risk for serious complications. That decision could make it more difficult for healthy children and younger adults to get vaccinated ahead of an expected winter surge.
The country still has trauma from COVID and lots of different, beliefs about what COVID was and how we should have handled it. But the most important thing is the vaccine is safe.
Kozarowski is co-sponsoring House Bill 1828 to make sure insurance companies cover immunizations for those who qualify.
In the state level, we are paying attention in terms of, making sure they have the right guidelines and making sure that insurance companies cover, those that are eligible. And we, maybe in the state need to do our own guidelines at some point.
She blames some of the current vaccine confusion on federal leadership, pointing to Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr.'s controversial remarks.
That's where it stems from. His guidelines with his, administration and his blanketed negativity on vaccines generally. I mean, he's telling people that Tylenol, if you take during pregnancy, causes autism. I mean, absurd, completely absurd.
For many in northeastern Pennsylvania, pharmacies remain the first stop for clear information.
What's great about us, when you come in here, we actually have a database we look at. We have a vaccine database. So if you, forget what vaccines you've had, if you want to know what vaccines you're eligible for, we do a quick search to see what you can get to keep you and your family safe.
Riggleman says many patients want to get vaccinated. They just need help understanding what they qualify for.
Some people just, don't know what they are eligible for, so we're glad to tell them.
Pharmacies like DePietro's offer Moderna's updated shot for those who qualify. Meanwhile, lawmakers in Harrisburg say they're working to make sure access and insurance coverage remain in place as federal rules continue to change. In Lackawanna County, I'm Elizabeth Hakis with Fox 56 News, First at 10.